nothing says the 4th of July quite like lighting up the night in celebration of our nation's freedom. But if you're using laser displays to show off your red, white, and blue, there's a major safety rule you need to know. If a laser points towards the sky and it intersects with an aircraft, it could distract or even temporarily blind the pilot. To keep everyone safe, please make sure your laser light displays are properly installed and aimed onto the intended surfaces, such as your house or yard decorations, and please do not point them into the sky. This way, you can keep the stars in our flag shining bright and the skies above safe. Enjoy the holiday, protect the skies, and have a safe 4th of July.